Hi, I'm Chris, and I'm going to get you started programming in the Scheme programming language. Okay, so first of all, you're going to want to download yourself a software. The program I use is DrScheme. It's free, it's platform independent, and it's lightweight, so it's a great program to use. Okay, so go ahead and download that, and then open up the program. Okay, so here we have the definitions window. It's where you write your actual code, and the interaction window is where you see the code executed, and you can also enter in little commands like a command line application. And right here is the language selection. I'm going to want you to go over there right now and choose the module language if it isn't already selected, and hit OK. Okay, so we're going to look at the command line stuff, just so you see what each function does. Scheme has the full range of mathematical operators. Has addition, subtraction, multiplication, all that stuff. And so here we see the structure of recalling a function in Scheme. First, you give the name of the function, and then within the same brackets, you do the arguments that you're passing into the function. Okay, and the arguments that you can use can also be the results of other functions, and I'll show you what I mean. You can do an addition command with the results from two different functions. Or I'll do a multiplication, 2 times 3, and you're going to get the result of that plus 1. Okay, it's nice to be able to do that, but you may want to execute that operation a few times in your code, and I guess you can copy and paste, but really we're programmers and we can be a lot more lazy. Okay, so what you want to do is move on to the definitions window, and I'm going to teach you about defining a variable. Okay, so you're going to use the define function. It has two different parameters, the name of the function and the value of the function. So for the name, we're going to say, I don't know, foo, as is the convention. And you're going to copy and paste this up here. Whoops. And that's the value that foo is going to get. Okay, so we're going to run it again. And just call foo, and it will give you that 7 that you had before. Okay, and it's nice to be able to do that, but a program that just echoes the same value over and over again isn't really a very powerful program. So what you want to do is start writing your own functions, which are basically variables but with parameters. Okay, so we're going to define something else. It's going to be called bar, let's say, foo bar. And you'll notice that I put the name of the variable in brackets, or the function really. And it's because you also have to define the parameters within the brackets. Okay, so let's just call it variable 1, or var A, var B, and var C. Okay, and what's this function going to do with the variables? Well, let's just have it do what's being done here, but let's replace the numbers with the variables we've defined. Okay, so var A, var B, var C. Okay, so let's try it out. Bar 1 1 1, and it gives you a value. Var 2 3 1. Those are the same values that we used up here in the same order, and it gives you the 7 back. Okay, so that's basically how you define a function, which concludes the first tutorial I'm going to be doing on Scheme. Okay, thank you for listening.